Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodi, they explain for this video how he almost give CFO document to the wrong person and how brothers wey dey for Naija dey frustrate brothers wey dey for abroad. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodi.
A great good morning to ever conscious adult people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osazosa Woody, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CEO of Woman Edo State. Yes, I just want to give us some updates in respect to our working activities. I want to state this clearly to those who actually gave us their survey some 2 weeks ago, some a week plus ago. Your survey is out. Please give your full name and the name of the community where we carry out that exercise to any person that is coming to receive it on your behalf. We needed the names and the community to confirm if that person is actually coming for your sake. Even if you had told me that Mr. A is coming, Mr. A should be able to come with confirmation. Because we have seen cases where somebody tried to collect CFO documents that belongs to his brother from us, all because he got the information and he wanted to sell the land behind his brother. Thank God I requested that, because the person told me that his brother is going to come to pick it. It's like he was aware that the immediate younger brother is coming to pick it. The other one immediately called and said, you know, Sakwunokwodi, my brother from Zanzibar said I should come and collect the CFO document from me. I said, okay, because I already received the call that somebody somewhere. I cannot take WhatsApp call now. The reason is that my phone is blank. I can't take. I'm going there now to fix it. WhatsApp call, not okay, you don't go. A phone may work blank. Excuse me. Hello, pardon. What talk by general? Oh, a phone may work blank. Yeah, I don't let you know. Am I calling me? Lucky me, I'm a team one and I say, am I calling me? I'm a team one. But to show, but a move. So I change the screen. Even though I was doing. But in real life, financial. It was real life when you go work. When is it get pick? Some few minutes. Okay, boss. Where's this? Yes. Actually, sorry for that. It's just that I have to pick this customer call. So the guy came and said, okay, come with all the fighters. He said, okay. On getting to where I am, what's your brother's name? He told. Which community? He told. I said, quote his number. He gave me the number. Then I placed the call across. Your brother is here to pick your document. He said, yes. Give him. Yeah, I sent him. He never knew that it was not the one he mandated to collect the document that came. Whereas that one is going to come in the evening, this one had already come, find itself in my house in the morning. I said, okay, no problems. And I said, please, I want to put it on a video so that you know. It's okay, go ahead. The other one was already shivering. Then they started some negative altercation. And when they see your photograph, I now left the both of them, let them interact. I kept the document. So for now, when somebody is coming as a rep or you are coming directly, even if I know you, you must identify to avoid such a mistake. People tend to take an advantage of their brother or sister who resides in abroad and those who stays here, as the case may be. Most especially when the person happens to be the breadwinner of such family. Definitely. They go the breadwinner of such family. And it is also true that in abroad or anywhere you are as a breadwinner, you are not plucking money. Somebody came to Nigeria yesterday. He has been on ground since over a week, so he just called me because we are doing the CFO. So I interacted with him. Do you know what the person said? The person has a younger brother. In fact, that younger brother was the person I am liaising with. The brother tries to do everything to assist his younger brother to travel out of the country so that the younger brother will make his own money. The younger brother refused to travel. Rather, he continued to spend the hard-earned resources of his brother. The brother actually deposited some 15 million naira in his account with the intent of taking him to Canada and create a salubrious environment for his younger brother when he lands in Canada, owing to the fact that the senior brother has already broken the barrier of poverty in the family. Few weeks after that deposition, the other brother asked, "How much is remaining with you?" He said 9 point something million, 9.80 million. Whereas Fraser has been advising the other brother, what you are doing now is not love. You are spoiling this young man. The other brother said, no, see, you are not helping him. As we speak, that guy has refused to act for himself. This same person competes with other young youths in the streets who are hustling. He competes with them. We said, "Do you know the name of this my shoe? Baruko. Do you know the name of this my jeans? Mohenjo-daro. Do you know the name of this my bed? Crocodile smiley teeth. Do you know the name of my top? Jack Daniels." But he cannot make 15,000 naira of his own money. Imagine again what happened. You know, we that are engaging in this CFO and survey business, we have vast experiences in respect to what is happening in our contemporary urban world. There are some persons who to date thinks that they have a land. Excuse me. Some persons who believe that they have a land, and it is true that they sent money to get a land, but it did no land anywhere. I have been to sites where somebody went to go and show me a land that never belongs to them. I want to use this computer center. You go drop them for front. You come back and carry me. I want to print some documents. Come on. For people want submit the application today. Open and yours for here move now. I will come carry on. Yeah, we'll pick one of the year. So, move fast so that I want to make all the application go today. All right, guys. Russian did it. Yes. All right. Then. So, at the end of the day, on getting to the site, I said, okay, let's start the survey. Somebody came out from somewhere. You the Chris, what do you do for this land? I said, somebody brought me here. Before I look back, that guy don't wait. No land at all. Not be say bad the cost season. I was able to clear myself and clear my way. Say, now this boy bring me come here for survey work. Backward. Never true. Go on. Now this boy bring me come here for survey work. See. My brother, they very careful when they take you to site. Yeah. They don't say they still know me somehow. Now I come with the guy say, what's it be all this one? He say, for him to they beg me for the embarrassment where put me. If they beg me, say, I beg, don't let my brother know. He send money, but we just shop on. I beg. Not land say, come. I know if he deceive you. I must give the report to your brother as I take you and fulfill. Because you now they beg me for your personal interest. If at the end of the day, I go this side, I not survey anything, I tell your brother, say we don't survey, and your brother call later go no. How you say me and my integrity be? I suffer. Now tell him, say, no worry. I not go tell your brother. Because I don't know what to be plan. I not go come and there at that moment. Maybe you could kill him because it's secret one. Open. That's no problem. No. I never come out there where I carry phone call the brother directly. Say, hello, you not get land. We get cases where it be say, some self, though they say that they build house for their brother. Their brother, where they build house for, house go then need it. Then when they build for their brother, oh, do they roof? No roof. Now they build for their brother. Inside their brother own money, they'll complete their roofing. The brother or the sister go back saying they spend money. House not complete. You don't know saying that 2 houses you build at a time. One for person and one for your own. They're not they pluck money for anywhere. It is not an easy task. I want to state this clearly. This is an advice to all our brothers and sisters around the world. Always be vigilant. Always be vigilant. Who know money, the importance of money, not spoil money. If you know how important money is, you can't spoil money. Some persons get huge benefits from exploiting people. Of the car. Somebody say, well, we not be brother, you pack away. He say, you will not be brother. Not truth, will be brother. But the earlier you go know, say, every human being, if you get injury now, peer, your brother can only sympathize with you. Not me say the pain go there in body too. No. You go say, oh, you go run here and there. Your sister go assist you. Oh God, God. But that one not still make them be you. Not double packing, be you go back. That one not still make them be you. You are you. So always be vigilant. Now, as I've earlier said, I want to be brief and direct to the point. Since morning, apart from when you get my Glow number, for those who they call me since through my MTN, I never feel pick call because the phone blank. I don't know what's your app, we just got it blank, and I hear every of my details there. So I'm going now to fix it. So if you have called me before and I didn't pick, please, no vessel. Na phone I lose guard me so. In fact, they go do one then to get a new one as well. Then if you give us your survey job, your survey is out. Send your rep or you come yourself to collect it. Give them your name and the name of the community. When they come, we pick. They will call to confirm. Except if you are through a video call, or if you are in the office or you are at work, anywhere you are and you cannot take call, I will snap with him and send it to you on WhatsApp. Then you send the confirmation to me. Give him before I can release such a document to anybody. This is a new policy framework. Because me not get name where they want to sink. That's why I try to do my things logically. To avoid I don't want it. So this is little I have to say this morning. And I called it, I tagged it, update. The update has been given. Follow suit. Get in touch. Thank you very much, Amusa. I want to say a very big bye for now.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokodi. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.